Guys, today we are in Pilsen on the south side of Chicago at the 2018 Pilsen Food Truck Festival. Guys, we're going to turn you on to some great eats here in the city of Chicago. Another summertime fest, getting it in big time. Black Foodies coming at you. Ready, Miss Coretta?
I'm ready.
Let's go get it. Guys, I'm here with Kara Soldado, the coordinator for the Pilsen Food Truck Social. How are you doing?
Great. Thanks for coming.
Tell us about what we have going on here today.
We've got over 25 food trucks and local restaurants offering all kinds of food from donuts to pierogies to lobster rolls. We've got local restaurants, tacos. Lots of community members come out and enjoy the festivities. Live music by Thalia Hall. And retail vendors. Ice cold beer, what else could you want?
Absolutely. And how long has the festival been going on?
This is the 4th annual. I still think it's really awesome to be able to come to one spot and find all of these trucks that are usually spread out and, you know, we have a sample ticket where for $20 you can sample 6 tasting portions, which is really popular.
Right, absolutely. Well, Kara, thank you so much for coming over and chatting with us. We're about to go get it in big time. It's going down. Black Foodies hanging out on the south side. Guys, right now I'm about to sample this spinach and cheese empanada from 5411 Empanada. Take a peek. I'm gonna open this puppy up. Wow, that looks absolutely phenomenal. And now, right now, guys, I'm gonna taste it. Guys, this is really good. The spinach isn't overpowering. Sometimes you can get that real minerally taste with spinach. The cheese is on point, and this outer crust is out of this world, guys. They got it going on here.
I'm getting ready to try the lobster mac and cheese at The Lobster on Wheels. So let me go ahead and give this a try. Little bits of lobster. Looks like a cheese sauce or something on here, so hoping it's cheesy. Okay, it's not as cheesy as I was expecting with the sauce, but the sauce is kind of like a salad dressing on here. So, not quite what I was expecting in a mac and cheese, but you know, it's okay. Edible.
Like Burma was safer than this way.
Well, let me get a chicken taco.
Okay, and cilantro and onion?
Yes. Right now, I'm about to sample Azul 18's chicken taco, and it comes with onion and cilantro, and also I gave it a spritz of lime. See what it's all about. On 2 tortillas. Nice and hot. Very tasty, guys. It'd be nice if they had some type of sauce to put on it. But overall, it's a real tasty bite.
Alright, I am at the food truck, Izai Kaye Yume, and I'm getting ready to try their Yako Taki, which is actually octopus balls. So take a look at it, and then there's fish shavings on top. All right, let me go ahead and give this a try.
I can't believe you just put the whole thing in your mouth.
I know, but it is so good. It's like a sushi roll deep fried into a ball. It is really, really tasty, everybody. I mean, I love it because I love sushi. But here, take a look at the inside. And it has octopus, but yeah, it's really tasty. I love it. All right, getting ready to try Aunt Bee's sweet potato cheesecake. All right, let me go ahead and dig in. I got quite quite a bit of crust. Look at that. Wow. This is probably the best sweet potato cheese pick I've had. So delicious. The crust is just like so, I mean, she got it going on over here. It is like really, really tasty. The sweet potatoes, I mean, it's nice and seasoned with all the spices. I mean, look at that. I taste nutmeg, and the crust is like, the dessert queen is happy.
The dessert queen loved her dessert at Annie V so much we had to come back, and Annie V said, boy, you got to try my award-winning mac and cheese. So here it is. Take a look, guys. And Annie V,
Yes.
tell us about your food truck.
So I have a food truck that roams the Chicagoland area, also the western suburbs, northern suburbs. I'm pretty much all around the Chicagoland area. I do a lot of festivals. Taste of Chicago, we'll be at the Taste of Chicago this year. And this year we will have our award-winning mac and cheese at the Taste of Chicago. So come by and taste some award-winning mac and cheese.
Guys, I'm gonna let you know what it's all about right now. Wow. Wow. Guys, this is absolutely spectacular. I can taste the notes of garlic. The cheese to pasta ratio is on point. There's a sauce on top. As I dig through here, I see roasted red peppers. Oh, wow.
Croissants. Yep. It's croissant infused.
Croissant infused. I see why you won an award for this, Annie V. Guys, make sure you check your girl out, Annie V, and tell people how they can get up with you.
Okay, well, you can contact me via Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Facebook is Auntie V's, Twitter is Auntie V's Cupcakes, Instagram is Auntie V's Cupcakes as well. Or you can come to my website at www.auntiev's.com, and that's Auntie, AUNTIEBEES. That Auntie V's.
Auntie V's, baby. She got it going on with the mac and cheese. Guys, the 2018 Pilsen Food Truck Social was an absolute blast. A lot of good people, a lot of good music, guys. And the food, it was so-so in some spots, very good in other spots. Guys, you're gonna have to come check it out next year. They have it going on. Miss Greta, ready to go home?
I'm ready.
Hey, let's go fire up that fire stick and watch some movies.